I'm going to do a ride today up to Mt Donna Buang. It's freezing cold. Apparently there's heaps of snow up there. Let's go and see what we can see. Yeah! This could be a really dumb idea. Seriously raining, but I'll push on a bit. I've got my waterproof pants on. I've got my cheap gumboots on. I'll find my gloves. All this rain is going to turn to snow, and that's what I want to see if I can. Hailing. Doesn't hurt, but man oh man, it's going to snow here really soon I think. Got to get my gloves on because it hurts my hand. It does actually hurt my hands. Let's see how we go. Oh, look at that fern. Wow. Lots of trees down. There's lots of trees down around here. I've just got to be careful. Listen out for falling trees. Feels like we're getting up into the clouds already. So that hail might soon become snow. Does hail count as the first snow to be seen? Looking a little bit like snow now. And thankfully I've got GPS reception here because all the tracks look the same. I would have thought I'd continue uphill, but no. I continue this way on track 44. What could go wrong? Oh boy. Lovely, the sun's coming out. Made it up to the hail line, not the snow line. It's a bit too steep to ride, just because it's slippery with the snow, the hail. It's not snow. Haven't officially made it to the snow yet. Anyway, this is lovely. Seen one lyrebird. No cars. getting to the point now where I pushed my bike the best part of 10 kilometres. 9 more kilometres to go till I hit the summit. There's not much point really continuing if I can't ride the bike. So I go a little bit further and just enjoy this snow. I've got the place to myself. I'll turn around and see if I can get down in one piece without slipping over and breaking something. That's what I'm hoping for. It was lovely though, like just to have this whole place to myself. Apparently on the other side the road is just closed off to cars, so there's basically no one on the mountain at the moment. Which brings me to another point. It's really important to let someone know where you're going. I've let a dear friend know exactly where I am. I've taken screenshots of the route that I've intended to take, all of that. So if I get in trouble, someone can come and save me, hopefully. Alright. So I'm just going to stick around here for a little bit in the quiet. And I got my beanie, and I was looking for my balaclava, I couldn't find it. So I found this ninja thing on the way up. It cost like $20 in a shop on the way up to the mountains here. I'm going to try that out. Check this. Looks crazy. I tell you what, it keeps my ears warm and keeps my face warm. So I'm rapidly getting cold here. So I'm going to stick around here for a bit, just do a bit of walking and see what I can see. There are definitely some tracks of some description here. I don't know what they are. They're not human. Something with a tail. Must be wallaby tracks. That's the poo of the animal that I'm tracking. I don't think it's wombat. Isn't this beautiful, this pristine snow? I haven't seen anyone here for hours. Loving that. Well, I've made it down below the snow line now. Fingers have got really cold on the way down when I was still up above the snow line. So even though I don't have my gloves on now, they're thawing out, which is good. Wow, it's beautiful down here below the snow line too. You can see all the burnt trees. This must have been from the 2009 fires, I think. It just is stunning around here. I don't know if you can see in the background. I was up at about that height earlier. Am I going to do this without dying? What price to get a shot? This is a steep hill you're climbing down, son. Worth going to get the shot, I guess. Uh-oh. That can't be good.